In this live lab, you're going to learn how to prevent unauthorized data access with Oracle Database Vault. My name is Richard Evans, and I am a product manager of Oracle Database Security. Thank you for joining us today. Oracle Database Vault is an option for Oracle Database Enterprise Edition and is included with most Oracle Database Cloud services, including Autonomous Database, Exadata Cloud Service, Exadata Cloud at Customer, and High Performance or Extreme Performance Database Cloud. Database Vault provides controls to protect sensitive data from privileged users and unauthorized database changes. Database Vault allows you to administer the database without accessing sensitive data and can allow you to separate sensitive data by data use. For example, separating finance data from HR data. As a key component to assist you with compliance and regulatory requirement, Database Vault can limit sensitive data access or implement separation of duty. For example, separating responsibilities between user account management, such as creating users, unlocking users, or resetting user passwords, from database management, such as patching, backup, and performance tuning, from data management, such as application schema changes, querying application data, or application upgrades. Oracle Database Vault can help prevent misuse or abuse of privileged user credentials or application accounts. Limit sensitive data access to specific authorization entry points or conditions, such as IP address, host name, operating system user, and many more. Database Vault can help you restrict changes to your production database to only maintenance windows and separate responsibilities for account, database, and application data management while providing highly valuable audit data of who has tried to bypass your controls. In this live lab, you will learn how to use Oracle Database Vault to create a realm and protect the My HR application schema data, limit where and how the application credentials can be used, known as Trusted Application Path, simulate Database Vault enforcement to understand the who, what, when, and where of data access before enforcing Database Vault controls, and separate container database administrators from application schemas and sensitive data in multi-tenant, known as pluggable databases. For the first lab, you will learn how to use Database Vault to create a realm to protect the employee search prod schema and all objects within. The application you'll be using is a 3-tier application where the HR admin logs into the application using a web browser, which then logs into the database using the employee search prod credentials. You will allow the schema owner, employee search prod, to access the sensitive data, but ensure that our privileged user, DBA Deborah, cannot. In the next section, you will implement a Database Vault command rule to limit where and how the employee search prod credentials can be used. You will trust only the Glassfish application tier, thus denying anyone from using or abusing the application schema user and password to authenticate to the database outside of that application tier. We refer to this as Trusted Application Path. And finally, Oracle Database Vault Operations Control allows you to combine the benefits of Oracle Multi-Tenant with the strength of Oracle Database Vault. You will implement Oracle Database Vault Operations Control to separate container database administrators from the application data stored in the multi-tenant pluggable databases. The privileged database administrators can still perform their tasks on the container and the pluggable databases, but they do not have access to non-default schemas that might contain sensitive data.